हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज उमेश कुमार एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सो गाइज, आप सभी को बहुत बहुत स्वागत है मेरे क्लासरूम में। आज मैं अपने स्टूडेंट के साथ हूँ और आज हम लोग करने वाले हैं Q&A सेशन। सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू Q&A सेशन। इट मीन्स अ क्वेश्चन आंसर क्लास। सो आर यू रेडी फॉर क्वेश्चन आंसर क्लास?
Yes, sir.
आर यू रेडी?
Yes, sir.
आर यू एक्साइटेड?
Yes, excited, sir.
Okay, so let's start to do question answer class. So guys, आई होप कि आप इस वीडियो को अंत तक देखेंगे कि कैसे क्वेश्चन आंसर क्लास कंडक्ट करवाया जाता है। और मैं बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन इन सभी लोगों से पूछने वाले हैं और ये आंसर करेंगे इंग्लिश में। चलिए देखते हैं, लेट्स बिगिन। व्हाट्स योर नेम?
My name is Vikas Kumar.
Vikas Kumar. So Vikas Kumar, why do you come here?
I come here for some basic knowledge of and gaining English knowledge also.
Okay. So what do you do at your home to learn English?
I just practice mirror speaking and video.
Okay. What's your qualification?
I have done my intermediate and pursuing for graduation.
Okay. What's your hobby?
My hobby is reading books, English, either in English or Hindi stories.
Okay. That's good. So why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because it is global language and it is easier way to communicate with other countries' people.
Okay. Right. So next question is that what do you want to be in your life?
I want to be an engineer.
You want to be an engineer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So may I know why do you want to be an engineer?
Because I have interest in mechanical devices.
Okay. That's good. Thank you. Have a seat. Chaliye. What's your name?
My name is Akanksha Vats.
Akanksha. So Akanksha, why do you want to learn English?
English is a global language, so I interest English.
Okay. So what do you want to be in your life?
I want to journalism.
Okay. Who is your ideal person?
Narendra Modi. My ideal person is Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi. Okay. So, what is your hobby?
My hobby is reading a book and drawing, etc.
Okay. So, what do you do to learn English at your home? What do you do? You do some things to learn English?
English is a global language.
No. I am talking about मतलब आप क्या करते हैं अंग्रेजी सीखने के लिए?
Mirror practice.
और read English newspaper?
Yes, sir.
You read English newspaper?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, who is your best friend in the classroom?
No, I have no best friend in the classroom.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Next, who is? So, what's your name?
My name is Tanu Kumari.
Tanu. So, Tanu, why do you want to learn English?
Why did Because English is an international language and many places, just like official work and banking sectors, education system and personality development के लिए.
That's why you want to learn English.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor.
You want to be a doctor.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, why do you want to be a doctor?
Because doctor, I like in zoology.
Okay, that's why you want to be a doctor.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, next question is that what is your qualification?
I have done intermediate 2021 with BSc or now I am pursuing from BSc first semester with Bhimrao Ambedkar Bihar University.
Okay. So, what do you do at your home to learn English?
Mirror practice and some basic English reading books.
Okay. So, thank you. Thank you very much. What's your name?
My name is Vikas Kumar Pandit.
Vikas Kumar. So, Vikas, how are you?
I am fine, sir.
You're fine. Okay. So why do you want to learn English?
Sir, English is a popular language in personality development, in communication skills. Any with interview, any exam interview crack now. This is the English is important. Or I am learning English.
So what do you do at your home to learn English?
Sir, I am reading newspaper and some English books and video record, audio recorded and video recorded and listen this video now.
Okay. So, what do you think about it? If you read English newspaper, okay. If you watch English video lecture, okay. If you do mirror practice, so what do you think about it? This is the right way to learn English?
Yes, this is the basic right English, learn English.
Yeah, this is the right way to learn English. That's why you are doing it.
Yes.
Okay. So, what do you want to be in your life?
Sir, I want to be a politician.
You want to be a politician.
Yes.
Why do you want to be a politician?
I like in my India and I work on the country for the all our people.
So basically, you want to do some things for your country.
Yes.
Right. That's why you want. Yeah. That's why you want to be a politician. Yes. Right. Very, very good. I hope you would be a very good politician and you would do some things for our country. Great. So, who is your ideal person?
My ideal person is my father, my family members. And right direction and my 1 to 10th class teacher is the inspiration of every time and every second and any time, sir.
Okay. So, how do you come here?
I am come here for bus.
I come here
I come here in bus.
by bus.
By bus.
Okay. You come here by bus. Okay. So, don't you think that it is a very struggle to come here?
Yes, very struggle and this is the center now, very distance now. I am belongs to.
It is very far from your house.
I'm very far from my village and very distance and driving now very struggle now and coming for the center and basic English computer and learn English classes.
Okay. Thank you. Have a seat. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Ansu Pandit.
Ansu. So Ansu, how are you?
I am fine.
You are fine. So my first question is that what is your qualification?
I have done intermediate 2020. I am pursuing graduation first year.
Okay. So what do you want to be?
I want to be a teacher.
You want to be a teacher. So why do you want to be a teacher?
I like.
Yeah, okay. Next question is that do you want to learn English?
Yes, I want to learn English.
So who is your ideal person?
My ideal person, Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi. So what's your name?
My name is Rajni Pandit.
Rajni. So what is your qualification?
I have done intermediate with IM processing graduation second year.
Okay. So what do you want to be?
But no,
क्या बनना चाहते हैं आप? क्या करना चाहते हैं? कुछ तो सोचे होंगे. What's your name?
My name is Tanu Kumari.
Tanu. So Tanu, what is your qualification?
I have done intermediate in 2021 and I am pursuing graduation.
Okay. So what do you want to be in your life?
I want to a job in agriculture sector.
In agriculture sector.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. So who is your ideal person?
My ideal person, my father.
Your father. Okay. So do you want to learn English?
Yes, I want.
You want. Why do you want to learn English?
Because English is a international language. English is increase my soft skills, networking skills.
So that's why you want to learn English. Yes, very good. So are you interested in politics?
No.
No. Okay. Are you interested in any sport?
Yes, cricket.
Cricket. So who is your favorite player?
MS Dhoni.
MS Dhoni.
Yeah.
Why not Virat Kohli? Because Virat Kohli is a very famous player in Indian team. So what's your name?
My name is Sanjeev.
Sanjeev.
Yes, sir.
So Sanjeev, how are you?
I am fine.
You're fine. Okay. What is your qualifications?
I am done intermediate and pursuing graduation first year.
Okay. So what do you want to be?
I want a engineer.
You want to be an engineer.
Yes.
Okay. So do you want to learn English?
Yes.
Okay. Why do you want to learn English?
Because English is an international language, and English without English not
We cannot.
we cannot be an
engineer.
engineer.
Okay. That's why you want to learn English. Okay. That's great. Okay. So who is your ideal person?
My father.
Is your ideal person?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Who? What's your name?
My name is Deepak Kumar.
Okay. So Deepak, what is your qualification?
My qualification is intermediate graduation part 1.
So do you want to learn English? Do you want to learn English? क्या आप अंग्रेजी सीखना चाहते हैं?
Yes,
So why do you want to learn English? अंग्रेजी आप क्यों सीखना चाहते हैं?
it is a common language of all country.
Okay. So what do you want to be in your life? You want to be a teacher.
Of government school.
In government school, you want to be a teacher. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Rupak Kumar.
Rupak. So Rupak, what is your qualification?
I have done intermediate with science. Graduation first year.
Okay. So who is your ideal person?
My ideal person is
Ideal person is your father.
father.
ओके दोस्तों, आज के क्लास में बस यही था. आज हम लोग Q&A सेशन किए हैं जैसा कि आपने देखा है. तो दोस्तों, यदि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाइए ताकि नए वीडियो का जो नोटिफिकेशन है सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंच पाए. तो फिर मिलते हैं किसी और वीडियो में. टिल देन टेक केयर, कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग एंड हैव फन. थैंक यू वेरी मच. चलिए.